Hello, welcome to Bell's Learning Corner. 你们都知道我们的 Lunar New Year 快来了，我们的旧历年快来了。那旧历年过去之后呢，就春节了，是吧？所以呢，我们今天要来说一篇 Almost Spring。Almost Spring。好，那 Almost 呢，就是快要了。OK， 好，所以 Almost Spring。那春天快到了 ，OK， 那我们来看看。Sun is shining， 你看哦，这个 sun is shining， 是吧 ？It is almost spring. Snow is melting. Snow 开始不 melting. It is almost spring. 春天快到了。好，那 birds are singing. Birds are singing. It is almost spring. 那小鸟呢？这些 birds 呢，在唱歌。It is almost spring. Flowers are budding， 就是快要冒出来，快要发芽出来了，是吧？ It is almost spring. Wind is blowing. It is almost spring. 好，所以呢 blowing. Chicks 这边是 chicks are peeping， 探出头来了，是吧？ It is almost spring. Spring is here， 到最后呢 ，spring 来到了 ，OK。好，那我们这篇呢，最主要就是要学呢 ，Spring is coming or it is almost spring， 春天快来到了，到最后终于到了。那我们就练习再念一次。OK, ready? OK， 那我们从第一页开始。Almost spring. Sun is shining. It is almost spring. Snow is melting. It is almost spring. Birds are singing. It is almost spring. Flowers are budding. It is almost spring. Wind is blowing. It is almost spring. Chicks are peeping. It is almost spring. Spring is here. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.